morning children. How are you children? Okay. Today already first lesson completed here. Okay. So some of the topics are already the main topics and what are the things are there, what are the photographs are there in first lesson. It's very interesting lesson. So that is the food components. Okay. Which type of food you have to eat, which type do you don't eat like that. Some of the things are already covered. Okay. So in the food, what are the components are there? You are perfect. I know you are perfect the topics. Okay. Now second lesson we will go to the acids and bases. What is the meaning of acid and base? What is the meaning of acid and base? Okay. So what is the meaning of acid? What is the meaning of acid? Can you tell me what is the meaning of acid? Acid is nothing but I think generally toilet cleaners will use acids in the previous. Now we are using Domex. Okay, Lysol, like that. Some of the chemicals we are using. Previously, we are using acids to clean our toilets. So acids are generally lemon. In lemon, acid will be there. In the lemon, acid will be there. In the lemon, acid will be there. The taste of the acid is sour in taste. All acids which are present actually, so sour in taste. That is called acid. But all the acids we cannot taste. We cannot taste. It's very harmful to your body. Okay? With the help of the tongue we can taste. The sour means okay. So that is called acid. Okay? Next, what is the meaning of base? Base, we cannot taste the base. Okay? Base is nothing but one type of chemical. Generally, it is different. Okay, it is example is soap. Soap is a base. Soap is a base. Acid is a sour taste. Base is a soap. So daily morning to evening different food items we are using as SNR. In that food items, some of the food items are acidic in nature. Some of the food items are base in nature. Some of the food items are neutral in nature. Neutral. What is the meaning of neutral? No taste. No taste. No taste. Will example pure water. Example pure water. Pure water is a neutral. Mineral water is a neutral. Okay. So the materials which are available morning to evening, the materials are the components are the which are available morning to evening. Those have different taste. They have different taste. Acidic or basic or neutral. On the earth, different materials are there, different components are there, different elements are there. Okay, so those all are divided into acid, acidic nature, or acids, acidic nature, and base, and C is the neutral. C is the neutral. C is the neutral. Okay, so here acidic nature materials will be there, basic nature materials will be there. You can see neutral nature materials will be there. Morning to evening, different type of materials we use. Eno is one sachet is used for. Can you tell me? Eno is used to sachet. It's available okay in the medical shop. Why use this Eno? To reduce our burning sensation in your stomach. It is base, purely base. Purely base. Eno is the base. Why I am telling like this? Okay, listen. One equation is there. Acid plus base. If you mix acid plus base, gives rise to what will be formed? Neutral will be formed. It is the universal formula. Okay. One acid is mixed to the base. What will form? Neutral will be formed. So I am using base here. Already in your stomach, what will be there? In your stomach, acid will be there. Which acid is there in your stomach? Can you tell me? Which acid will be there in your stomach? You don't know. HCl will be there in our stomach. HCl is a acid. Hydrochloric is a acid. So if you take ENO, it is what? It is the base actually. HCl is the acid. HCl is the acid. ENO is the base. ENO is the base. Okay. ENO is the base. HCl is the acid. If both are mixed, what will be formed? Can you tell me in the stomach? Neutral will be formed. Neutral substance will be formed. That's why your burning sensation will be reduced within 6 seconds. Only within 6 seconds, your burning sensation will be reduces. Your burning sensation will be reduces within 6 seconds. ENO on the ENO subject you can see. In the 6 seconds, within the 6 seconds, your burning sensation will decreases. The materials which is available on the earth, they are divided into acids, base and neutral. Neutral another name is, can you tell me? Those are called salts. Those are called salts. Neutral substances another name is salts. You know, in your home, the neutral substance one is there in your kitchen, that is sodium chloride. You know, sodium chloride is a one salt. Sodium chloride is a one salt. Okay, generally in your own salt will be there, that is called sodium chloride. I think clear. What is the meaning of acid? What is the meaning of base? And what is the meaning of neutral? Okay. Now we will go to the lesson. In our daily life, we use a lot of materials. Even our food has a lot of variety. Yes, different items also have different taste. In preparing and sorting food, we take a lot of care. When you are preparing the food, and sort of care you have to take. In this chapter, we will try to understand the reason for some of them. Okay. So let us first think over the following questions related to what we eat. So what are the things we eat? Those things you have to know. First one is, what sort of food we will take. Second one is, are all items are alike? For example, do they have the same color and taste, etc.? So generally they have same color and taste, etc. Generally the food items are different color and the fruits and vegetables are different color. Okay, so their taste is different and color will be different. In what ways they are different? Their color will be different, taste will be different. Okay, so next, what kind of taste do food substances we have? Okay, generally what kind of taste the food have? Okay, next, fruits and vegetables and other food substances have different tastes. You already know. Fruits and vegetables, they have different taste and color also. Taste is nothing but a acid taste, base and neutral. Acids and base and neutral taste they have. Okay, next. So one chart is given here. In that table number 1. Which food item have sweet in taste? So I will write on the board. Okay, I will write on the board. Which food item sweet? Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think 6. Okay, which food are sweet? Sour, bitter, salty and spicy. We will see. Okay, first we will see the sweet and after that sour, So after that, bitter, and after that, salty, and spicy. Salty and spicy. Okay. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and spicy. I think it is related to the first lesson. Some of the it is related to the first lesson. We'll see the first one is what you there. Can you tell me first one is sugar. Sugar is sweet. Already you know. Sugar is sweet. Next one is sweet. Sweet means in sweet shop you can see that is sweet. And you can see next one is brown sugar. Next one is brown sugar. Next one is payasam. Next one is honey. And the next one is pineapple. Next one is pineapple. Sour taste. Lemon juice. Next one is the lemon juice. Pickle. Next pickle. After that, grapes. And you can see the tamarind. And after that, orange. And after raw mango. Okay. So these are the sour in taste. Next we will see the bitter gourd. Next one is bitter gourd. And after that, spinach. And after cabbage. And after that, turmeric. And coffee powder. And tea powder. Coffee powder and tea powder. Next, common salt. Salt is the common salt. Salt biscuits. Nuts. Next we can see pickles. And sea salt. And spicy. Red mirchi. Next, capsicum and pepper. capsicum, pepper. Okay, so these are the things are there. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, so these are the different items to the table number 1. They are explaining about the different food items which have different taste. You can see sweet is sugar and sweet will be there. Sweet also in mithai shop already different type of sweet items are there na, those are in sweet taste. And brown sugar is there na, brown sugar is also on sweet taste. And payasam and honey and pineapple, so these are the sweet in taste. So if you see lemon juice, pickles, grapes, tamarind and orange and mango, raw mango. Okay, so these are all acids. Lemon juice, pickles, some acids will be there. Okay, that's why acidic in nature. Next, bitter gourd, spinach, cabbage, turmeric, coffee powder and tea powder. Okay, so these are in which taste? Bitter in taste. Okay, next you can see salt, common salt, biscuits, nuts, pickles and seasoning. So this is the salt. These are neutral actually. These are all neutral. Spicy, red mirchi, capsicum and pepper. So these are all different taste. Sweet, sour, bitter, salt and spice. Okay. Next. Okay. So these are some of the questions are given. Do you experience any other taste in your daily life? Write them below. Any other taste is there other than this? I think maximum 90%, 99% this taste will be there. Next. Do you find any difference in the taste of raw and ripe fruit? Yes, some taste will be there, some different. Raw and ripe. Okay, I think it's a note down in your okay, in your textbook. Please note down in your textbook. Okay. Next, what is raw? Okay, raw fruit and ripened fruit. Okay, so what is the difference between raw fruit and ripened fruit? Again, taste is any difference is there? So raw fruit and somewhat okay, sour in taste. Ripened fruit is sweet in taste. Next, do some substances change their taste when cooked? Yes. Before cooking, the taste will be different. After cooking, their taste will be different. Next, do substances change their taste when added to some other substances? When you add the substance, one substance to another substance, the taste will be there. Add salt to the lemon juice. How do you do together taste now? Lemon juice is different taste, salt is different. Okay, when you mix what happens, another taste will come. Add sugar to the lemon juice. What change do you notice? Sugar taste sweet will be there, lemon some sour will be there, and both are mixed with some different taste will be there. Is there any difference in the taste without sugar? Yes, some different taste will be there. Now see, do some substances change color when added to other substance. Page number 10. See, do some substances change color when added to other substance? When you add to other substance, what happens? Their color will be changes. Have you observed any change when lime water added to the turmeric? Lime water added to turmeric, sunnam. Okay, added to turmeric, what is turn into which color? Reddish color. So like that, one substance, different taste in the color will be there. So if you mix with another substance, what happens? It will be changed. Okay. So in this lesson we discuss about the acids and bases. Not only that, we discuss about how they will change their color and the taste. Okay. Now today's homework is okay. What is the meaning of today's homework is what is the meaning of acids, bases and neutrals. What is the meaning of acids, bases and neutrals? These things you have to learn. Okay? Because these things you have to learn in today's homework. Clear, children? Okay. Thank you very much.